Almost everyone has heard about the law of attraction. It became very popular after the book and DVD The Secret came out, even though the so-called secret was not a secret. It's based on knowledge from Eastern medicine and the acupressure system that has been around for 5,000 years or more. Basically, what that says is that when we have a particular intention, our entire chemical system aligns towards that intention. And because the energy emanates outside of the body and and has an effect on the environment, it is much more likely that if you have a positive intention towards something, that the universe will align in that way to achieve it. Now, the problem is that that works for both good and for ill. So the law of attraction doesn't take into account the whole idea of the shadow side. And what I mean by that is if I have a client who wants to quit smoking, but also doesn't want to quit smoking, or also doesn't feel that they can quit smoking, that sets up a double goal in the person. Part of them, the conscious mind, definitely wants to achieve the goal of not smoking, but the subconscious mind, often based on early traumas or belief systems in the past, are aligned in the exact opposite fashion. And so what tends to occur is the client moves towards their goal, gets very close to doing it, and then self-sabotages in some way. And so the goal is thwarted. Unfortunately, most of us don't really understand the power of the subconscious and how it works. And so the self-esteem becomes crashed if we can't accomplish what we consciously set out to accomplish. With energy psychology, especially Neuro Emotional Technique, which is my favorite, you can actually access the shadow side and become okay with that shadow side. Because paradoxically, if you become okay with it, it loses its power or its hotspot, and that enables a person to be much more fully aligned with their conscious desire. So although the law of attraction is valid, if you don't take into account the shadow side and deactivate that, then you will be frustrated.